guys, this episode we're going to be talking about the browser's geolocation API and how to use it in your Rails app. Now, this functionality used to be something you would have to have a mobile app for, but now you can use this in your browser, and it's been around for a little while. So let's take a look at the example and then dive into how we can use it. So here we'll click Show My Location. That's going to tell the browser, hey, we'd like to ask the user to use their location, and the user can decide to either block you permanently or rather block you and save that permission, allow and save it, or they can cancel and it will just display an error, but it will pop up next time because canceling doesn't save the preference. So we'll click allow so this actually works, and we can then see our latitude and longitude that was retrieved from that request in our browser. So if we click on this, we'll see in OpenStreetMap our location. We can just link directly to that by adding the latitude and longitude into the URL. Pretty straightforward. But we can do extra things with this as well. So there's a way to monitor the GPS location. So something like, Google Maps, where you're driving around and you need to know the user's location regularly, and you can monitor that. There's actually functionality for that built into this as well. So let's dive into using this in a Rails app.